Welcome to Crystal's Lessons Learned from the Animal World. Today's lesson is on the dog. Dogs don't love conditionally. They don't keep score, and they don't test your worth. Dogs taught me something I almost forgot. Love can be safe, loyalty can be gentle, and joy doesn't have to be earned. Dogs are loyal but not controlling. They don't isolate. They don't demand submission. After manipulation, loyalty can feel frightening. We confuse it with obligation or loss of self. Dogs reminded me that loyalty feels steady, not suffocating. Dogs don't multitask their affection. When they're with you, they're with you. Healing taught me that presence matters more than promises. Showing up constantly is a form of love. Dogs greet life with enthusiasm, even after hardship. They don't deny pain, but they don't live inside it either. Dogs taught me that joy isn't ignorance, it's resilience. Dogs don't trust instantly. They observe, they learn patterns, they respond over time. This gave me permission to rebuild trust at my own pace, without pressure, guilt, or apology. Dogs don't wait for you to be healed. They love you where you are. That was one of the hardest lessons for me to accept, and one of the most freeing. So here's what dogs taught me. Love can be safe, loyalty can be kind, joy can return. And you don't have to earn love. You are already worthy of it. Thank you for joining me today for Lessons Learned from the Dog. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.